Hi everybody, I am your Prasad. Now we are going to discuss JCheckBox. In my previous video we discussed about JRadioButton, that is to create radio button when one is checked other will be unchecked. Here we are going to write a program for JCheckBox. This will be useful for BTech students and as well as software going students also. This will be very much useful. JCheckBox, the output will be something like this. In most of the application softwares, apps, you will get checkboxes like what is your qualification, SSC, Inter, BE, MTech, PhD. If you want to check all the checkboxes, this will be useful. This is the topic from 5th unit 2nd chapter R22 regulation from the subject object oriented programming through Java. From Java subject, this is very useful. This is my mobile number 9849181923. If you have any doubts, if you want any study material, if you want to lab manual, WhatsApp me or directly you can call me. Right, JCheckBox from the subject 5th unit 2nd chapter OOPS subject. JToggleButton class is of two state buttons. It is of two state buttons. Toggle means swap. Here J stands for Java. Those two states are selected and unselected. Here two states are selected and unselected. Java toggle button is a class. JCheckBox is also a class. That's why J is capital, C is capital and B is capital. That is naming convention. Here J toggle button class has two subclasses. Two subclasses we have. One is JRadioButton, that is already completed. Second one is JCheckBox. Before checkbox, this is introduction for the checkbox. Now we are going to discuss about JCheckBox. JCheckBox class is used to create checkbox like this type of output, checkbox. Checking these fields, C++, Java, what is your qualification, what are the languages you know. At that type of applications you will get this checkbox. Example, most of the applications we have this object, this field. JCheckBox declaration, how we need to declare. Import Java X swing JCheckBox. Here Java X stands for extension. Java is a library, swing is a package. From swing chapter we have this concept, this topic. Public class JCheckBox is a class that extends JToggleButton class. Here this program I will explain detailedly. Don't skip the video, watch till then. In between I will post the practical lab part of this program also. Here JCheckBox constructors. Some constructors in JCheckBox. Now we are going to discuss JCheckBox. Today's our topic is this. Here some constructors are JCheckBox and JCheckBox string S and etc. So many constructors are there. And JCheckBox methods, functions we use here are get accessible context and param string. Param means parameter. These are the basic functions we use. Right? These are the remaining things. I will explain about the program. In between I will post the program also. Hi everybody, I am here Prasad. This time I kept Java program at left side, that is in the notepad, and right side I kept the command prompt. We need to compile the program. For that we need to check where the program is saved. Left side we need to go to save as and we can check where the program is saved. Same as usual, I have saved it C drive Java program JP folder. I kept folder so that all program will be at one place. So C drive and JP folder. In the command prompt we need to go to C drive and JP folder. For that the command is cd /. Now we enter into C drive. Then we need to type the command as cd space JP. That is a command to enter into JP folder. Yes, we have entered. Now we are ready to compile the program and run the program. The syntax for compiling the program is javac, Java C space file name, program name as class name. I kept as checkbox. So we need to type checkbox checkbox.java, javac space file name .java, file name here checkbox.java. Yes, it's compiled now. check it out. Now we need to run the program. For running the Java program, the syntax is Java space file name or program name or class name. The class name is checkbox. Yes, we need to run the program. We got the output, and I will explain about the program detailedly. Thanks for watching this. This is the detailed explanation of the program. Java program to create a checkbox. Java program to create a checkbox. Previous practical videos detailed theoretical explanation of that. Import is a keyword. We will import those classes, constructors and all. Java X is a library. X means extension. Here this X is taken here in the extension. You can zoom the video. See, if you want to watch the video, watch horizontally like this, not vertically, horizontally. And you can zoom a little bit. You can see the context text here. You can see everything detailed. This is about Java radio button video. So right here, X means extension. Swing is a package. Package means collection of classes, interfaces and constructors. X means all classes, interfaces and constructors. Here public is a access specifier. Class checkbox. Checkbox example is user defined class. Class is a keyword here. Curly braces start here. Checkbox example, this is the constructor. And JFrame is a class. F is a object is equal to new JFrame is a constructor. Checkbox example. So this is the syntax for creating an object. This is the syntax. Here F is an object, new is a keyword. I wrote detailedly. JCheckBox B1 is equal to new JCheckBox C++. Here JCheckBox is a class, B1 is a object. B1 again object here with black marker. I kept F1 and B1 are the objects. New is a keyword, JCheckBox C++. Watch the video horizontally and zoom a little bit. You can see the text clearly. If you have any doubts, you can call me. B1 set bounds. We can set boundaries 100, 100, 50, 50. B1 is a object. Then JCheckBox B2 new JCheckBox Java. Here we are creating C++ checkbox and Java checkbox here. And B2 this object. B2 object dot set bounds. Set bounds is a method. I wrote here detailedly. I will explain. 100, 150. Here 150, here 100, 50, 50. So at that x-axis, y-axis, this will be displayed. F1 dot add. Add is a function method in Java. F is a object. This is the syntax for creating object. This and this and this. So this one and this one. These three are syntax rules for creating an object. F1 add B1, so it will be created. F1 add B2, it will be created. F1 set size will be created. F1 set layout will be created. F set visible true, it will be visible. So this curly braces end of checkbox example constructor. For this one is the end of that. So you need to write indentation sequence like this only, so that it will be clear when you enter into software company. In the software company, you will write 100 lines of code. So not get confusing, write like this. Curly braces where you open, end should be at that place. And public static void main. Public means access specifier. This one is access modifier. Void means returns nothing. It's a keyword. Main is a function. It's here method, or method. String is a class, inbuilt class. I wrote here. Args means arguments. It's an array. And the curly braces starts for this main and ends here. This starts from here and ends here. New is a keyword. Checkbox example is a constructor, and this will be ended here. End of checkbox class. So in this program, we have checkbox example constructor. This one is a constructor, and JFrame. Here JFrame with black marker I kept underline. JFrame is a constructor, and JCheckBox here is a constructor, and we have some methods. JSetBounds, setBounds, this one and this one, add, and one more add, set size s should be small, and next s size s should be capital. This is a naming convention rule for method. First letter should be small, second word first letter should be capital, third word first letter should be capital. Set layout, here s is small, l should be capital. This is also method or function. Set visible, s should be small, v should be capital. This is also method. Main is obviously inbuilt method. These are the methods we have used in our program. I told you, no, I will explain detailedly. And here keywords used in this program are import. Here we will import the classes, constructor, methods, constructor and everything. Public, here this public, class, and new, here new and new. These are the syntax for creating an object. F, B1, B2. Here these are the new is the keyword, inbuilt keywords, pre-reserved words. Static, here public, static and void. These are the keywords used here. Java X is a library. X means extension of Java library. Swing is a package. This should be small letters. And F, B1, B2, these are the objects, right? All the best for your exams and for your future.